In his Mann Ki Baat address today, PM Modi highlighted how GI tag to Shahi Lychee can reinforce its significance and identity and also benefit farmers. This comes a week after India exported the season's first consignment of Shahi Lychee from Bihar to London. With this, it becomes confirmed that India indeed is focusing on doing its bit to increase the exports of items having GI certified tags. In this video, we will get to know what is GI tag, how GI tag lychee can help Bihar's farmers, what makes Bihar's royal lychee so special, and a lot more. But before we proceed further, let us hear what PM Modi had to say about the recent export of Shahi lychee from Bihar to UK.
आपने बिहार की शाही लीची का नाम भी सुना होगा। 2018 में सरकार ने शाही लीची को जीआई टैग भी दिया था ताकि इसकी पहचान मजबूत हो और किसानों को ज्यादा फायदा हो। इस बार बिहार की ये शाही लीची भी हवाई मार्ग से लंदन भेजी गई है। पूरब से पश्चिम, उत्तर से दक्षिण, हमारा देश ऐसे ही अनूठे स्वाद और उत्पादों से भरा पड़ा है।
What is GI tag? Geographical Indication Tag or GI tag is a proof of where the product is born or produced. This product can be natural, agricultural or manufactured. The use of GI as an indication of the product's origin acts as a certification that the product has exclusive qualities or has a good reputation due to its geographical origin. How GI tag lychee can help Bihar's farmers? Despite the pandemic-induced crisis in the country, the first consignment of GI certified Shahi lychee was sent from Bihar's Muzaffarpur district to the United Kingdom. This level of trade is a strong example of how GI certification can help farmers across India to expand globally and economically both at the same time. The GI tag stands for the excellence of a product, giving it a global recognition. Ever since the Shahi lychee earned the GI tag, its demand has been increasing in the international market. Exports of Shahi lychee will help and benefit thousands of lychee growers in the state who will now be able to gain access to more markets. They will also be able to get a better price on the same product both in the country and abroad, as no other producer can misuse the name because of the GI tag. This move is nothing less than a Sanjeevani Booty miracle for marginal farmers too, who have migrated back to Bihar from big metropolitan cities amidst the pandemic. These small farmers have no choice but to engage themselves in agricultural activities yet again. And these farmers can start from the production of lychee itself, which is bringing bumper income due to the increased export possibilities. So, the news of agri-exports getting the much needed boost in the country will only bring mass motivation among the farmers and growers of Bihar. They will be able to engage more, not just in producing lychees, but also in producing other items, keeping in mind an international quality that can help in sorting more and more GI certifications from the state. Bihar accounts for about 70% production of this high-value exotic fruit in India. It is a source of livelihood for many in the state as it provides both on-farm and off-farm employment. What makes Bihar's royal lychee so special? Bihar tops in terms of the production of lychee. Shahi lychee was the fourth agricultural product to get GI certification from Bihar in 2018. Districts of Muzaffarpur, Champaran, Begusarai, Vaishali, Samastipur and adjoining areas of Bihar have a favorable climate for growing Shahi lychee. It is said that due to high calcium content in the soil, lychee is better and juicier in these areas. Lychee has adapted well to the agroclimate of Bihar, especially in Muzaffarpur, Samastipur and the surrounding regions, probably due to the humid climatic condition of the state. Another reason is the alluvial soil in this region, which possesses a good amount of calcium content. The source of this calcium content could be the river Burahi Gandak, which is a common river flowing through these 5 lychee producing districts of Bihar. Studies have found that the water of this Burhi Gandak river indeed possesses high calcium content. GI tags in India and Bihar. Today, India has a total of 371 items that have registered geographical indications. In Bihar, apart from royal lychee, other products that have sought GI tag certification are Madhubani paintings, Khatwa work, Sujini embroidery work, Sikki grass products, Bhagalpur silk, Bhagalpuri zardalu, Katrani rice, Maghai pan and Silao khaja. Indian lychee production and export. India is the second largest producer of lychee globally. India had exported a total of 1,352.47 quintals of lychee in 2019-20, earning 65.80 thousand USD. As per data, Nepal is the largest importer of Indian lychee, followed by the UAE, the United Kingdom, Qatar, Bahrain, Canada and Singapore, to only name a few. That is all in this segment.